NCERT solutions at your fingertips. Today we are going to do question answers of chapter 4 Heat, class 7 Science. The main topics of this chapter are temperature, clinical and laboratory thermometer, transfer of heat, conduction, convection and radiation, conductor and insulators, sea breeze and land breeze, kinds of clothes we wear in summer and winter. Important topics are covered in the question answer sections. Let's begin with the question answer. Question number 1. State similarities and differences between laboratory thermometer and the clinical thermometer. Similarities. Number 1. Both clinical and lab thermometers consist of a long, narrow, uniform glass tubes. Number 2. The bulb of both the thermometer contain mercury. Number 3. Both are used to measure temperature. Differences between clinical and laboratory thermometer. Number 1. Clinical thermometer is used to measure human body temperature. However, lab thermometer is not convenient to measure human body temperature. Number 2. The range of clinical thermometer is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, whereas the range of lab thermometer is -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Number 3. Clinical thermometer has a kink near the bulb, while there is usually no kink in the lab thermometer. Question number 2. Give two examples each of conductors and insulators of heat. Answer. Conductor of heat. Number 1. Iron. Number 2. Copper. Insulators of heat. Number 1. Plastic. Number 2. Wood. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. A. The hotness of an object is determined by its dash. The answer is temperature. B. Temperature of boiling water cannot be measured by dash thermometer. The answer is clinical. C. Temperature is measured in degree. The answer is Celsius. D. No medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of dash. The answer is radiation. E. A cold steel spoon is dipped in a cup of hot milk. Heat is transferred to its other end by the process of dash. The answer is conduction. F. Clothes of dash color absorb more heat better than clothes of light color. The answer is dark. Question number 4. Match the following. Answer. Correct match. Number 1. The land breeze blows during night. Second. The sea breeze blows during day. Third. Dark colored clothes are preferred during winter. 4. Light colored clothes are preferred during summer. Question number 5. Discuss why wearing more layers of clothing during winter keeps us warmer than wearing just one thick piece of clothing. Answer. When we wear more layers of clothing during winter, the air gets trapped in between the clothing layers. Air is a poor conductor of heat. It prevents the flow of heat from our body to the cold surroundings. So, more layers of clothing during winter keeps us warmer than wearing just one thick piece of clothing. Question number 6. Look at the figure. Mark where the heat is being transferred by conduction, by convection or by radiation. The correct answer is shown in the figure. Question number 7. In places of hot climate, it is advised that the outer walls of house be painted white. Explain. Answer. In places of hot climate, it is advised that the outer walls of house be painted white because white colors reflects most of the heat and therefore absorbs the least heat that falls on it. Hence, white color helps in keeping the house temperature down. Question number 8. 1 liter of water at 30 degrees Celsius is mixed with 1 liter of water at 50 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the mixture will be A. 80 degrees Celsius, B. More than 50 degrees Celsius but less than 80 degrees Celsius, C. 20 degrees Celsius, D. between 30 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is D. between 30 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. Question number 9. An iron ball at 40 degrees Celsius is dropped in a mug containing water at 40 degrees Celsius. The heat will A. flow from iron ball to water, B. not flow from iron ball to water or from water to iron ball, C. flow from water to iron ball, D. increase the temperature of both. The correct answer is B. not flow from iron ball to water or from water to iron ball. Question number 10. A wooden spoon is dipped in a cup of ice cream. Its other end A becomes cold by process of conduction, B becomes cold by the process of convection, C becomes cold by the process of radiation, or D does not become cold. The answer is D, does not become cold. Question number 11. Stainless steel pans are usually provided with copper bottoms. The reason for this could be that A. copper bottom makes the pan more durable, B. such pans appear colorful, C. copper is a better conductor of heat than stainless steel, or D. copper is easier to clean than the stainless steel. The correct answer is C. copper is a better conductor of heat than stainless steel. So, these were the question answers of the chapter. Thanks for watching.